Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Study room tables play a pivotal role in creating a conducive and productive learning environment. These tables can in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials, each catering to different study needs. A spacious rectangular table is ideal for spreading out textbooks, notes, and reference materials, offering ample room for focused studying and research. Roundtables, on the other hand, encourage collaborative discussions and group work, making them a versatile choice for study rooms shared by multiple individuals. Adjustable height tables accommodate various seating preferences, allowing users to switch between sitting and standing position for improved ergonomics and comfort during long study sessions. Material choices range from classic wood tables which exude warmth and durability to sleek modern options like glass and metal which provide a contemporary touch. Space solution like built-in drawers or shelves can help keep study essentials organized and easily accessible. The design and functionality of study room tables can greatly influence productive and overall study experience, making them an essential element in creating an effective and inspiring workspace. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.